Come in peace, brother. Trevor Brutenholm has told us much about you.
Good things.
Well, you got me beat. He didn't tell me much about you guys.
Did he tell you to trust us?
To do what we asked you to do,
Yeah.
then that is all you need to know about us.
We have a task for you, sir. To slay a dragon.
Excuse me?
The St. Leonard worm.
1,400 years ago, it haunted the forest near the Horsemen in the West Sussex. It killed 8 animals and children, and the few soldiers brave enough to ride out against it. Finally, a simple monk armed himself and went into the forest, where he fought the worm and drove it back into the hollow of the earth. In doing so, the monk hurt himself and was gravely injured. And because of the nature of the place and the nature of the man, wherever his blood fell, lilies grew.
Now we have it on good authority that the dragon has returned.
People have died.
This is why Professor Brutenholm sent you to us.
Take this. This very spear the Earl of Warwick used to slay his own dragon.
Pray it does you more good than the Earl.
Of course, we have every confidence in your success.
It is inevitable.
Okay.
Now get to St. Leonard's woods and there, do the thing.
I've seen a haunted chair and a talking mongoose, but I'd have bet good money there's no such thing as dragons. Wonder if these guys were pulling my leg. Maybe not. Son of a... Alright, come and get it, tough guy. Jeez, boy, you're real. So let's see how. Hey, hey!
What do you see?
I see him crushed to death.
My spine. That's not my spine.
Crushed to death?
No, he lives, but the worm is dead.
Killed by him?
No.
That was a close one.
Then the experiment is a failure.
We have learned nothing.
Nothing.
We will continue to watch him. However long it takes. In time, his true nature will be revealed to us, be that for good or ill.